Did you know that 95% of diets fail, and that dieting and deprivation can result in binge eating or food craving, which can cause people to gain even more weight? But what if you could lose weight and still eat all the foods you love? Waste Away, the Chantel Ray Way, is a brand all about helping people achieve their fitness and weight loss goals through intermittent fasting.
I interviewed over 1,000 women and I said, what did you do? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. What did you do? What did you eat? How'd you do it?
Wow.
And that's what the book is about.
There's always that new sugar substitute that comes out. I'm like, sweet, this is great. It doesn't spike insulin. And then like a year later, like gives you cancer. I'm like, oh no, fooled again.
This course teaches you about all the principles that I've learned and the amazing opportunity to see the actual thin eaters that I interviewed. You're gonna see what they ate, how they ate, how much they ate.
Whether you're looking to lose weight, increase muscle mass, or cure a chronic illness, Waste Away can help you with all this and so much more. To get started, go to chantelrayway.com.